Welcome back to Home Inspection Encounters. Got ourselves one right here that's, oh my God. Well, let's get right into this one. We'll see. All right, well, let's get right into this one here. This is, wow. You can see how much clutter there is in here, man. My God. I gotta be able to see something, so I appreciate you guys joining the channel. If you're new, this is what I do. Clean the lens, make sure there's no spider webs, get the fog off. I come from the outside coming in, so we get some condensation on the lens right away. This is supposed to be a crawlspace home. It looks like a basement. There's actually dirt on the ground. There's some old stuff in here, cabinetry. What a clutter. I mean, this is what I would use a space like this for, but dang, I gotta be able to find something and see something. And nice tall crawl space, wow. But look at this stuff, all kinds of, I hate to call it junk, but dang. All right, so got an entry over here. Looks like a new water heater from a distance. Yeah, that thing is already leaking at the bottom a little bit. It's getting rusty. No vapor barrier on the bottom of the water heater. You folks know how I feel about water heaters and crawl spaces, and no bueno. Not good. They'll get rusty. This is all brand new piping. So this is a brand new water heater. Electrical. That thing won't last too long with this humidity. I can feel the humidity down here. I mean, this place is a mess. It has so much potential to be nice. But neglect, hoarding, storage. I mean, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 piers tall. 9 blocks tall. Unbelievable. Very nice. Insulation down. HVAC way off the ground. I love it. But you can tell the critters are getting down here. The mice, the chipmunks, snakes. I wouldn't be surprised. We're getting to that time of the year, the insulation falling down, where we're going to have to start having a lot of snakes coming out. I'm looking forward to it every summer. I look forward to making videos. Hopefully we find some snakes, because they're always fun to watch. And this is what they do. They knock your insulation down. The rest of the critters, all those holes against the blocks right there, those are all treated with chemicals from termite treatments. Back when they just grabbed the hammer and made a hole in the block, now they actually go and drill a hole about a dime size or a nickel size and pour the termiticide in it. What a mess. Look at this mess. Once again, contractors out there, pay attention now. This right here, this irritates the living tar out of me. Just because it's a crawl space home, let's just not neglect it like this. Let's not leave all your junk. Let's take a look and see what exactly led to this. New flooring was installed during, obviously, a plumbing problem. All that crumbled up particle board, it's all rotted out from moisture. Man, look at that. Just, there's your pipe. There's your cutoffs. Left all the debris there. You know, people sometimes, they put new vapor barriers down, even though it doesn't look all that decent here. Got a little bit of water here. Let's just follow it up. And more water smells. Yep. Got a leak. Got a leak. Not good. And right there, right at the bottom of that tub, you can see how there's a little bit of moisture there too. And the stick, look at the stick holding up the pipe. Wow. Yeah. Oh boy, honey, hold my beer. Grab me that 2x2 and this will hold up that pipe. Wow, look at that Look at that pier right there. A little tilted, holding up your HVAC. I like the fact that it's off the ground, but man, just some things just these little things just they just irritate me, man. I mean, I don't care if it works, but look at that air coming out of there. You know, a mouse finds its way in there, man. It'll get into your house. Maybe even a snake. These black snakes, they climb. What a mess. If you guys can smell this crawl space from the phone. Water's coming into that front wall right there. I can see the water coming in through the blocks. There's some termite activity. Old, new, not sure. Regardless, that's going to have to be noted. Previous, we'll find that out here soon. But definitely some termite activity. Not surprised, usually where there's a lot of moisture. There's termites. They like the termites like the moisture in homes. Look at all the insulation. Just what a mess. Just rip it all out. God, rip out all the insulation. You don't need it here in this region. It's not necessary. You insulation people, sorry to hurt your feelings like this, but I'm not a fan of insulation. But this channel is not big enough to probably affect your sales. So here we go. I love the height. The height, this is a tall one. Look at this. This is exactly what I thought I'd find. Some snake skin. Part of it. That was a nice size snake right there. That's a good, maybe 3-footer. Maybe 4-foot snake. I'm sure they're in here. Look at this mess. Camera lens is getting foggy. I can see it while I'm walking around. Let me flash my light. Make sure there's no animals here. Animales. Don't want to see a possum. Here's a Zoller pump. Check out the Zoller sump pump right here. That's old school. Probably had to get that one replaced. Look at the duct line. All that dirt and funk. That ends up in your house, man. That really does. I don't care. I don't care how much tape you put on these lines. You're smelling all this down here, you're smelling it in the house. This was a cage for something. I'd like to say a dog, but it looks like there's some bedding down there. I don't know. Looks like we got some fungus, some mold. Got some electrical lines there. Let's take a look here. What do we got back? Is this where it ends? Look at this bike. Hey, that's a classic. That's an old school bike. Look at that. Huh. Wow. There's probably treasures down here. Look at this, all this right here. You can tell they did some repair work to the plumbing. Oh, here's a sump pump right here. Everbuilt? Can't say I've seen an Everbuilt before. All those holes, man, they put a lot of holes on those blocks. Just what a mess. All the acorns, that's from all the chipmunks. My goodness. I don't like this, man. Do you know how long it would take to get all this out here? You didn't need to get a whole crew down here, start passing things. And then the driveway is actually up a hill. You'd have to get it. What a mess. I couldn't even tell you where I'd start with this. Just take it all out to the lawn. And I don't know, I hate to be so damn mean about people's things, but I'm going to be mean about people's things. This is disgusting. This is a mess. This is just hoarding. Horrible. Not good. Nice John Deere. Folks, if you get any value from this video, hit that like and subscribe. And I appreciate y'all. I hope you have an amazing week. I'll keep posting some videos. Just check me out. And like I said, see ya.